Climb inside the 2015 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.